How to convert feet to meter, pounds to kilogram, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and days to hour. Very simple. In Excel, you have a formula. For example, let's say feet to meter, FT to M, and pounds, LBM to kg, and similarly for Fahrenheit, F and C, right? Let's learn. Let's say I'm converting feet to meter. Just invoke formula called convert, take the cell, and this is feet, and you're wanted to convert to meter, and double code and close it. So this is a meter, and you drag it up. And similarly, same pounds to kilogram, LBM and kg, Fahrenheit to Fahrenheit to Celsius. You have to give only the capital. If you give small, it will give an error. For example, let's say I'm just giving small c, it will show an error. See, and the same thing, I'm just fixing it. Fahrenheit, I'm giving capital, and Celsius, I'm giving capital again, right? So now you got it. Similarly, hours to days. So this you have to give in a small letter, and D to R. For example, convert days to R, right? So again, you can convert to year, days, and all that. Let's say we want R. Double click on it and close it. So you got that one. I hope you find it useful.